We are in the Brittany countryside now, which is 3 hours west of Paris. The local famous bakery has their annual open house here today, and many food vendors set up their booths on the street. Many traditional French foods you can find here. I'm very happy to have the opportunity to visit this bakery and learn how to make French bread. The bread here is handmade using traditional baking techniques. That's the reason it's so delicious. If you are interested in French bread, don't miss today's video. Like this?
Yes.
Wow.
C'est écrasé dans la.
That's
It has to be all incorporated.
Keep going.
Keep going.
this process.
Combien de temps prend ce processus?
Pour pétrir, c'est à peu près 4.
And after? There is no air coming in.
Oh.
It is a closed door, and they also heat the place to
Okay, thank you. That's it.
So you've got sesame seeds in it. Sesame, okay. And linen, okay. And then oats on top of it. Okay?
So many grains.
Yeah. The bread is bread, which is without additive. You keep it a week.